You know, we all know about the amazing books that Lonely Planet have created for over 30 years.
But right now, travel publishing is going through a really interesting transformation, a collision of worlds. You know, the software and technology world with the print, you know, traditional 500-year-old world, the transition into a world of organised content distributed in a variety of platforms.
What we work with day in, day out is travel information, and that's just inspiring. We work in a great place. It's a beautiful building. The social scene's fantastic. We work with wonderful people that are really passionate about what they do.
People are passionate about travel, but also passionate about technology.
One of the best things about being a developer at Lonely Planet is the variety. Projects ranging from our core website on Java technology to a whole lot of stuff we're doing in social networking with Ruby on Rails.
Our website attracts millions of unique visitors every month. We do about 100 requests per second on our Origin service. After Akamai has taken off probably half of all the load. We're probably a continuous integration vendor's worst nightmare because we really do use all the features. All our builds are automated, which means you can just click a button and it will deploy to test environment, pre-production environment, even to a production environment. And we strive to have 100% test coverage on all the code that we write.
As soon as things come out, we're out there developing. Really can't think of one channel that we're not trying to create a presence in.
This is our iPad application. This stack of cards can be pinched apart, and that's a matrix transform with perspective added to it. Flick through. We have a really good presence on the App Store. We get featured quite frequently there. We're automating our testing for the applications and integrating those in a continuous integration server.
We're strong adherents to the agile methodology of software development. So what that means is you'll be working in an embedded team. We'll practice pair programming, and all the work that you do will be deployed typically every couple of weeks.
This is a pretty typical agile development board. So the way that this usually works is we'll come up with a bright new business concept. We'll sit down as a team, break that down into story cards. So there's a card that we're working on at the moment. It's one with me, my name on it. You can see up there, we got vandalised a little while ago and we all got turned into unicorns by one of the other teams. We've got our revenge in the works.
What we look for at Lonely Planet is people that really are strong technologists, that live and breathe technology.
In many ways it feels like a startup, and it takes that kind of excited, committed person who is willing to experiment, is willing to take chances on things that may or may not work.
We work in a range of technologies on a range of devices that developers and testers and people working in the digital space will just really get into.